welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. And y'all, I am getting videos out, okay? I am in the middle of a wear test, but it's time for an unboxing. Y'all know that? Y'all know. Look at this. It's ashes all over. So there, I got my February Derma e-box, and I'm ready to get into this because I want to try some stuff. I won't be trying it in this video, but you guys know it'll probably be in a shorts or a reel or both. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. But here it is. Don't worry about my hair. It's doing hairy things. I do want to say that because I have so many things that I need to get out while I'm doing this wear test as well, I might do a double upload some point during this month. I'm thinking maybe do the wear test on Wednesday, and we'll do like a wear test Wednesday kind of thing. You know? You don't? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. But if you're ready to get into this ARiiE skincare February box, keep on watching. I really just want to get into this because it is actually 6:33 in the morning. I've been already something 30 minutes into a wear test, and I need to eat my breakfast. But here it is. This label's on it, so I'm not going to show you guys. I will say, okay, can I just lift this up? Alright, whatever. I would, Lord. I don't know why that was an ordeal. I will say I do wish the box was prettier for unboxing sake, but that's it. They're 100% clean, vegan, recyclable, all that cute stuff. So that's why the box and the packaging is, I'm assuming, minimal. What is the theme for this? Sorry, guys. So here we are. Combat winter dryness. Where were you? Where were you when we decided to have winter in October? Because disrespectful has New York weather been, okay? It's been freezing. It's been hot. It was like 60 degrees the other day. It was crazy. It was crazy. So here we have, so this is the Ultra Hydrating Dewy Skin Serum. This is a hyaluronic acid, squalene, and green tea serum. I love a good serum. So this is applied to clean face and neck. This is your décolleté. I just really like that word. I'm sorry. And it says use in the morning and evening alone or in combination with your favorite ARiiE moisturizer or any moisturizer. And it says top tip. Okay, it says layer on top of moisturizer to the high points of your face for a dewy, luminous glow. I'm oily. My skin is very oily. In the wintertime, it does get a little, it doesn't get dry, but it's like more on the normal side. So I'm not producing as much oils, but you definitely feel a difference when it started getting really, really cold out of nowhere in New York. My face was dry and it was terrible. So I didn't like it. Also, my cousin literally just wrote me last week about products because she was getting dry patches. Listen, you do have to change your skincare for the winter, so just keep that in mind. Here it is. It looks like it's pink, and I like that there's a pump. Let's pump. Come on. There we go. All right. So for a serum, it very hydrating, let me say that. It actually looks like when you first pump it out, it's kind of, and it feels like the Glow Recipe, that watermelon serum thing. This is very, very hydrating. The scent is very minimal, just smells like a moisturizer, which is cool. This is nice. It feels kind of cooling too. Does it say that it's cooling? Because it is. And I like that. That feels nice. Oh yeah. I probably would have used this in the morning if I was going out. Like if I was staying in, I'd use this. Again, because my face just does get oily and produces a lot of natural oils during the day. So I wouldn't want this under any makeup. So if I'm going to be putting on any makeup, I'll use my regular primer. But for a moisturizer, I'll use my Formula 10.0.6 mattifying moisturizer, which is bomb. Check that out. But even now when it's like drying down, it's kind of tacky. It feels nice. It feels hydrating. This feels really, really good. I like that. We're gonna get another reel. I'm telling you, I'm gonna just... My skin's gonna be popping. Next, there's a ultra hydrating lip plumping treatment. It says, I'm sorry, I made a face. It says hyaluronic acid, cinnamon, and jojoba oil. Let's see. We don't really get a lot of lip treatments. I don't think I get any lip treatments or anything. But we're gonna see. It looks cool. Is it lip plumping? Let me see. It says for best results, point lip applicator tip downwards and pump gently. Apply the lips with, why did I do that? Apply the lips to instantly plump and hydrate. Visible volume and natural color may vary. This is weird. How's it go? I'm sorry. I want to, because look at that. I just want to see what it does. We'll do it on here. Okay. I think it, oh. It's like a gloss. Oh, you smell the cinnamon. If you don't like cinnamon, you're not going to like that. I like the applicator. It's really smooth. I'm going to try it. Obviously, I have lipstick on. So I can't. I'm just rubbing it on my hand. But I do like the applicator. I can see that. But you pour applicator tip down, I guess, and pump. I guess you pump on your lip first and then you apply it. It's pretty cool. Weird. I don't know. It's very different. The only lip plumping gloss I have, and it's very, very, if you guys don't like cinnamon, it smells like Big Red. Just so you know. But the only lip plumping gloss I have is the Iconic London lip plumping gloss in Nearly Nude. You guys know I love that one. But this is really cool, and I just can't wait to try it. There's only 3 things in this box, so we're gonna have like a really, oh, my forehead's itchy. Ooh. But yeah, there's only one more item in the box. It's heavy. Oh man. I don't know why I do things that I do, okay guys? So this is the Ultra Hydrating Antioxidant Day Cream, which is good because the last box we have a Vitamin C Night Cream. So now I have something for the day. Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna try them all because I like it. Again, hydrating, you can use hydrating products even if you have oily skin. Just know that. You just have to pick and choose. Like if you're applying makeup afterwards, I'm gonna say skip it. Don't do that to yourself. But like if you're like just in the house and you want to like moisturize, definitely go for a hydrating cream. Don't even think about it. So this one is the Ultra Hydrating Antioxidant Day Cream. That's what this is called. And ceramides. Every time I think ceramides, I always think the ceramides and CeraVe, but I never touch those products. Sorry. So this one, you says apply a rich layer onto face and neck, your décolleté, and gently massage into skin until the cream is absorbed. Oh, it says it works well under makeup, but I don't know. I don't know. If you have oily skin, I really don't know, y'all. Doesn't really smell like anything. We're gonna use the other hand. We're gonna be fair. We're gonna put a little bit. It's a thick cream, and it says apply a generous amount. Right? A rich layer. That's a generous amount. Okay? No, I just don't know. It's thick. Maybe you don't need that much. Because look at how thick that is. It's kind of crazy to me. Okay, so I stand corrected. Don't mind the gloss here, right? But I don't know. Like you can still see where I use this serum. It still looks very hydrated to me. And you could, I don't know, I can see the difference. Especially up here. I can still see the difference. In this hand, I just use that moisturizer, which it feels nice. Like you feel hydrated. It feels like it's in there. It feels very, very moisturizing because it's thicker. So you know it's like, it's in there. But it doesn't look greasy or dewy or shiny. So I guess it could work under your makeup. put a primer on, but like, I'm actually surprised. And like, look at me. I'm just really, really surprised. Like, you still feel the hydration, but like, just looking at my hands, even like the reflection, you guys are probably not going to be able to see. You're going to see the lip gloss. So I don't think it's going to reflect on camera, but it feels very, very nice. It feels less hydrating as far as like obviously hydrating than the serum, of course, but it still feels really, really, first of all, my hand feels smooth. Okay, smooth. I'm actually just really, really surprised at that. That was crazy. Y'all got me. Y'all got me. I don't know what that was. That's pretty much it for these products. Quick video. Ooh. I don't usually put the price tag up for these products on the screen, but I'll put them in the description box below. And if you guys want to see them, I know it compares to my Elemis, which is a luxury. Okay, that day cream was $138, and I was like, okay. But Derma products are very, very affordable. They're in Ulta. Okay, so check that out, because I buy from Derma all the time. Like, that's a real... Sorry. I'm really sorry, guys. It is only 6:44. But, yeah. AM. But here's some really good products. I think they'll be cool to use. I'll definitely do like a video using them. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. Make sure your notification bell are on. Okay, and set to all. Y'all know why. But that is it. If you like this, it says okay. So it's a new and improved formula. Maybe that's why you're able to wear it under makeup. Hold on. It says clinically proven, right? Intensely moisturizes for up to 72 hours. I don't even want to think about another wear test. I'm sorry. But that is it, guys. If you liked the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. I'm gonna have my breakfast. I don't know why I do this to myself, but comment down below how you guys want this to go. If you guys would prefer like a wear test to be like a wear test Wednesday, I don't know if it won't be every Wednesday. Obviously, I'm not gonna torture myself like that once a week. You guys are sick. But like as an extra upload, let me know in the comments down below. I don't know, because I do have some others, like there's other stuff that I want to test, so it's gonna happen again. I'm just trying to give you guys the most content and meet deadlines, to be honest. But I just feel like a lot of things are piling up, and I'm trying to film 2 videos at once most of the time, just to be on top of it for y'all and for me. It's for me too. So just let me know in the comments down below. Engage with me so we can get engaged. But that is it, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.